Hiya, hope you're all good and welcome to the channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be revealing my new diamond art project and some new supplies that I've found that I'm going to be trying out. So just to rewind and explain the history, the first video I did on diamond art was my first attempt at doing diamond painting, and I had a few takeaways that I wanted to try on my next diamond art painting. A couple of the takeaways were one, that I felt that I could have saved a lot of time having some way to organize the diamonds so I didn't have to put them back in the little packets they came in. The ones that came in the kits, they weren't resealable. So it was a bit of a job getting them in and out. And having a proper storage system. So this would reduce mess, diamonds spilling out, diamonds all over the floor. It would save time. And also it would tidy things up as well. So it wasn't all over my desk. I could put it away at the end of the day. The second takeaway was that the pen that I was using and that are supplied with these kits as well, they only have one tip. So if you've got a large area that has the same color, you would spend a lot of time doing that area, where if you had a bigger tip, you could put more down and get it done quicker. I'll link the first video and all the new supplies I'm going to be using today in the description so you can have a look if there's something that you're interested in. If you do diamond art painting and you've got any tips for me to improve the diamond painting experience, then let me know in the comments below and I'll have a look into them and see what I can do. Firstly, I'm going to be removing my completed diamond art painting of the jungle scene. I put it on a board and I'll just take it off just to store it somewhere, to put it on a piece of cardboard. I like putting the diamond art paintings on a board so I can move it around the house and sit in different areas, and also put it away if I need to, if anyone's coming around. And reattach it to this just to keep it flat, just the perfect size that. So I'm not going to seal this or frame it just yet. As I mentioned in the video on my review of this diamond art painting, that you can see the elephant quite well, but the other animals we've lost a bit of the detail. So here, I think there's a lion down here somewhere, maybe there. But what I wanted to do is see if I could improve it in any way with maybe changing the diamonds out for different colors or using a paint pen. So something that I might go and revisit at some point before I seal it. Here's the new diamond art piece. It's easier than the last one. So let's get this pack opened. Oh, I think this is bigger. Is it going to fit on here? Hopefully it will. It's everything. Circular diamonds. This is the same size. This is fine. Oh, and we've got a circular tray without any ridges in, so I don't think I'll use that. Some wax and then the usual pink pen. Oh, we're on the wrong way. Yeah, I'll just about get this on here, I think. Slightly bigger than the last one. This one's going to be a lot easier. I've only got 7 different colours of diamond. And I've got massive blocks like here where I can just fill them all in. So I don't envisage this taking too long. I've mentioned this all the time, but because I like geography, traveling, flags, I saw this and I had to get it. And I want to try and get some more diamond art designs that are about the world, flags, landmarks. Yeah, so I'll try and get some more pieces like this. And also if I can get just nice landscape, countryside themes, might give those a go as well. And I'll try and find a link on this, if it's available at all on Amazon or elsewhere online. It's from Do Craft, Simply Make Craft Kits, Union Jack Diamond Art Kit. Okay, so let's move on to opening up my new supplies. So I went ahead and purchased a new pen with some new tips, and I've not opened it yet. This is from Amazon, and I'll link everything that I've purchased in the description. So let's get this open. What have we got in here then? A non-slip mat. We've got 2 purple trays. I have seen on some, I don't know whether I'll have it with these. I think it happens more on the square diamonds where they're stuck together, and you would put the square diamonds in here, the ones that are stuck together, and the other one on top, push it down really hard, and it unsticks them. So handy having 2. Oh, lots of wax. I've actually forgotten what was in here. This is heavy. Ooh, I wonder what that's going to be like. It's a diamond art storage case by Art Dot. Oh, there we go. I think I got 60. 6. Yeah, 60. And we also get a few additional bits in this kit. So something else that I thought would be useful is funnel. Loads of different pens, different tips. Oh, I'm going to be using this to straighten up that Eiffel Tower paint gem painting that I did. That's going to be useful. Loads of resealable packets if I didn't want to use the jars. I suppose I could put them in here if I wasn't actively using them on a project. I could keep them again for next time, so that's handy to have those. Some more trays. Tweezers. More wax. I suppose you can never have enough wax. And a sheet of numbers that I can number these pots. And this, I think I'll probably be using this. So as I'm going to be using a large amount of the little diamonds in different areas, so I'll probably use this. So let me get everything together that I'm going to use on this particular kit. Okay, so this is going to be number 1. I'm going to use this large tray and this pen. We start off with 6. Do you like this little case that is coming? Oh, we've got another one that can... Oh, that's handy. I didn't realise that was in there. Got a bent one. That's for drill bit. I prefer the... I'm going to go for this one, I think. I might try and use this straightener. It's quite good that you could interchange them. I've got this little tool here. I can just move it. Oh yeah, this is going to save so much time. Straighten them up. This is going to take no time, this one. To make sure you load them up properly. I think some people use glue dots. I've seen. I don't know if they're any better. because you want to sort of pick them all up in a line correctly like that. Yeah, like this. I think this tool is going to be quite handy. And then this one for making sure that they're pressed down. I quite like the weight of this pen as well. The other one's light. This, I think it probably helps with the application of the diamonds, with it being a bit heavier. I haven't got pushed down as hard. I think this is definitely going to help. Quite pleased with it so far. Oh, this is more satisfying than doing it the other way. There is one supplier that came with this pen set that I actually never knew that I needed, but now I've been using it for a while, putting the diamonds down for the flag. I don't think I could do diamond art without it, and that is the spacer tip that came with the pen. This is really useful with these circular diamonds because I can easily get them in line. They're all a bit wibbly wobbly all over the place, and I probably would have spent quite some time with the end of the pen, the tip, putting them in and trying to get them in line that way. But this spacer tools really change that. I can just do it with that. It saved me a lot of time. And I think it's quite important with this particular painting because it's a flag design that it is all aligned. And it's also really satisfying getting everything lined up as well. Also, the pen, it's heavier than those that you get with the kits. And I think the weight of it does help with picking up and placing the diamonds down. I think it's quite a nice shape and feel to it as well. It feels a bit nicer using that rather than the other ones that come with the sets. Using the pots instead of the bags, it was much easier to pour out and put back after using. And using that large white tray as well to put the diamonds in, that's something that I'll probably use all of the time on other diamond art pieces because I can just easily put the diamonds back in the pots because it's got the funnel at the end, and also easily pick the diamonds up because you just give it a little bit of a shake and it's in a row, and that's that sorted. I don't know if using glue dots would be better than using the wax because not every time when I was putting the pen down did it pick the diamonds up. And I've seen that you can use these glue dots, so maybe that is something that I'll do in a future video to see if that works any better. And also I've seen you can get putty. That might be something to try as well. Overall, I can see by using these extra bits that it will save me a lot of time that I wasted before, particularly having to put all the diamonds in packets and take them out of packets and get them all over the place. That was the most frustrating part. So I say particularly having all the diamonds in the pots, using the larger tips, that's going to do what I wanted it to do with these supplies. So I think I'm going to continue using those going forward. I'll also try the other supplies that I didn't get to use today in future videos as well, just to give them a go and see what they're like really. The next videos I'll do on this diamond art piece will be shorts on the progress that I'm making, and I'll also do a video on the completed painting and review the supplies after using them for a while. And if I do pick up any of the other supplies that came in the kits, then I will give my thoughts on those as well. And if that is something that you're interested in, then please hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And if you like the video, please let me know. Thanks very much for watching again, and I'll see you all soon.